Hey guys, Storm Chase Local Maker TK9 here once again, and today I've been watching YouTube videos on the national EAS test. I searched up on YouTube, National EAS Test 2021 on YouTube, and I searched it up on Google, and then it says Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and collaborating with the FCC will conduct a national test of the EAS and Virus Emergency Alerts (REA) on August 11th, 2021 at 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 1:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 12:20 p.m. Central Daylight Mountain Daylight Time. 11:20 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And Pacific Time, and Pacific Daylight Time, 10, 20 p.m. Daylight Time, and 8 or 7 a.m. Hawaiian Daylight Time, with a backup date on August 25th, 2021 at the same time. So here are some articles about the test. And I'm going to show you some images. So this is what it will look like on the wireless phone. I'll probably get it on my phone. So I have to go to settings and check if the EAS are on. So this is a different one because I'm at Weather Home because I love the application. This is the settings. Here it is, and then I'm going to go to General. Where's General at? Where's General? Okay, General, you appear. Okay, well, no General. Oh my God, Cookie Jar 28, 2008. Well, YouTube. I know where it is. I could search up emergency alerts through my phone. Emergency alert. Apologize for that delay. So I turned on Amber Alerts, Extreme Threats, Severe Threats, Public Safety Messages, State, Local Tests, Show Spanish Alerts, and Emergency History even on. Okay. Okay, where's the sound effect? Okay, on. One. Reminder sounds. So every 15 minutes. So yeah, there's virus, emergency alerts, and app notifications. I have to go to there. So auto download MMS. And this reason why it says unknown because I'm not showing phone numbers of public since it's personal. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. I don't know what it will look like on the TV. Same as, I think, is it the same as the 2019 one or a different version? Or the 2011 one. I might capture it on camera at 12:20 p.m. or by weather video or by TV. I will choose my TV since my weather video will be going off as well. If I will have a notification as well. And then I would like to thank you all for watching this video. And I will see you guys later. And the reason why I haven't been making some, and I haven't, the reason I haven't been making videos on my computer is not just because of my phone, it's because I got a new phone. My internet has been disconnected. And I am live streaming on my computer as much. And my phone as well. So I would like to thank you all for watching this video. And I suggest you all to search up National EAS Test 2021 on Google. So you can go to one of these articles. And no, I'm not showing my email. I did it 2 times on this video. But I don't want to be hacked. I don't want to be hacked. God. Oh, come on. EAS nails. These nails are trash these days. I'm not making them as much anymore. I quit making EAS nails. I make regular EAS. Yeah. No. Hey, whoa. So National Clinical Test 2021. I'm gonna go. Come on. Okay, and I'm gonna go to FEMA.com. Where's FEMA at? Where's it at? Oh. Federal Emergency Management Agency. The article says FEMA and FCC plan nationwide emergency alert system test for August 11th. Text messages will be sent to TVs and radios along with smartphones that has operated in and received text messages. Okay, read this article to find out. Well, thank you for watching, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Yes, and when August 11th hits, I might do a live stream in the morning and then record the test in the afternoon. Some governors was to involve a national EAS test. So I suggest you all to record your videos, to get the camera and record the videos of a national EAS test. You record your TV or the weather video. I have the weather video and the TV, and I might record it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. And then I might even post a weather video version of it, which will be unlisted. And you can view it if you find it. I will make a playlist called Unlisted Videos. And I will see you guys in the next video.